Hey everybody, hope you're safe and well. My name is John Erickson. High tech, right? Hey, check it out. Pretty good, huh? Oh, I forgot to mention, you can call me Easy.
Why is that?
Because easy come, easy go. My last name begins with E.
You think you're funny?
Huh. Anybody who thinks they're funny, this is a trick question. Anybody who thinks they're funny probably isn't very funny. But now that I think about it, yeah, I'm wicked funny.
What about this quarantine?
What about this quarantine? I mean, my entire life has come to a standstill. Go to the sports games, sit in the box seat, there are no games. Going to concerts, seeing shows, sit in front row, they're all canceled. Going to restaurants, dressing up, being the scene, it's all takeout now. So yeah, easy come, but easy no go. Funny, right? Yeah, get that one in there at the very end. Cool.